Welcome to Soothing Pods Meditation. In this practice, we'll use a short mantra, tapping into the present moment and giving ourselves permission to step into our truth and authenticity. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. Let your spine lengthen gently up through the crown of your head. Soften your shoulders, allowing your arms and hands to rest effortlessly. And if you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Now, turn your attention to your breath. With the next few cycles, let your inhales and exhales gradually deepen. With each generous breath, feel your ribs and lungs softly expanding and releasing. Now, allow your breathing to return to an easy, natural pace. Effortless inhales and exhales. And letting your awareness widen, make room for your experience just as it is. There's no right or wrong way to feel here. Just give yourself permission to allow whatever is present to be there. Without labels or judgments, make space for your body, your mind, and your heart as you remain aware of the ebb and flow of your breath. Now, continue to observe your experience exactly as it is, and we'll begin to use a very simple mantra to encourage a feeling of presence. Simply repeat the following words silently, remaining aware of your breath and of any sensations or emotions that are present. I am. I am. I am. Tap into a rhythm that suits you, feeling into this simple mantra as you connect to the present moment. I am. Now, gently release these words and return to your breath once more. We can spend a lifetime trying to be someone we're not. We dress a certain way to project a particular image, stay in dissatisfying jobs based on some unrealistic idea of success, or engage in activities we don't like, just to fit in. But in the long run, trying to fit into someone else's shoes is exhausting and it's just not sustainable. In 2016, 2 Australian universities paired up to publish a study that showed that when we take mindful actions that truly reflect our own beliefs and values, our mental and emotional well-being increases, as does our overall happiness. So even though it can feel scary to drop our masks and show the world who we truly are, when we start to live more authentically, inner peace and contentment follow. Our mindfulness practice helps us grow the capacity to be momentarily uncomfortable in order to choose authenticity. As we lean into our truth, we are strengthening our own values and connection to what matters, gradually releasing external influences and pressures that can lead us astray. In the words of renowned author and researcher Brené Brown, authenticity is the daily practice of letting go of who we think we are supposed to be and embracing who we actually are. So let acceptance grow and learn to see the beauty that makes you uniquely you. Step into your own truth and vulnerability and give yourself the freedom to be who you truly are. Now, slowly bring yourself back. Notice the sounds in the room around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you are ready, open your eyes. step into your authentic self today. And we'll see you again tomorrow.